Good morning from a very sunny Bonita Springs, Florida. Today we'll be showcasing the Sideshift PT360 joystick docking system installed on a Bennington QX Sport. We'll be running through some of the capabilities of the system, and we'll also have a chat with the owner to see how the PT360 is to use on a day-to-day basis.
I chose Sideshift after a lot of research. Initially, when I found out that I wanted thrusters, I went on the internet, did a lot of research, and I have a lot of friends that are avid boaters. So we had a series of questions. We sent them to the company. They responded in a very elegant manner. I, once again, did more research and found out that was the product that I wanted to have. I've added the thrusters to navigate in those tough places to get into. I've recently moved from the lake to the ocean. In the back channels, sometimes the nook and crannies can get a little bit difficult. Even though now I do have experience, the thrusters help me navigate in those really tight spaces. The installation for me was a complete breeze because I didn't do it, but the logistics of dealing with the installation was flawless. The communication with the installer, me and my family, was perfect. I couldn't ask for anything better. I'm very particular about my boat, and they understood that. My favorite part about having a Sideshift is just giving me the confidence to be able to go out in any situation and be able to pull in a tight area. The side shifters are extremely easy to operate. Literally after 30 seconds I got in my boat, when I reversed it, I utilized them. And then also having the key fob and pulling into tight spaces when I had to stand up and look around was extremely simple. I would 100% recommend the Sideshift to anyone, whether you're new to boating, whether you're an avid boater. I did some research early on, and I have a lot of friends, and they all have the Sideshifts and the thrusters, even if they've been boating for 10, 15 years.
With no holes below the waterline and an extremely easy installation, the Sideshift PT360 provides all the power a boater needs while remaining quiet and convenient. And the additional benefit of the wireless fob makes maneuvering the boat a breeze from any location on board.